Hi everyone, welcome back to Logic Stored. In today's session, we are going to explore one of the most powerful features in Snowflake, dynamic tables. These tables automatically keep your data fresh without needing a manual ETL jobs. Let's understand how they work with a live demo. Dynamic tables are Snowflake's way of creating automated, incremental, and continuous data pipelines. You can define a SQL query and tell Snowflake to keep the result table updated automatically at a defined frequency. The key features are simplifies ETL ELT logic inside Snowflake, automatically tracks upstream changes, keeps target data fresh based on target lag, no need for external schedulers like Airflow. For example, let's say you have a raw orders table and you want an aggregated sales summary updated every 5 minutes. Dynamic tables make that happen automatically. Internally, Snowflake uses a refresh service that keeps checking if the data in the source table has changed. When it detects changes, it updates the dynamic table automatically according to your target lag setting. Important properties are target lag defines how fresh the data should be. Warehouse compute resource used for refresh operations. State dynamic tables can be active or suspended. The architecture flow, source tables, raw data layer, dynamic tables, transform layer, final analytics tables used for dashboards or reporting. Think of it like a self-updating metallized view that Snowflake manages for you automatically. Fully managed incremental refresh, no need for third-party orchestration, automatically handles dependencies between dynamic tables, scales with your data volume and warehouse size. In short, dynamic tables bring automation and simplicity to your data pipelines. Now let's move to the hands-on demo and see them in action. By using this query, we'll start by creating a new database and schema to work with. And we have created a table and inserted some sample data. Here is source table orders, raw containing customers orders. This will act as the raw data layer. Create dynamic table. Now we are creating dynamic table using this query called order summary. It will refresh automatically every 5 minutes using the computer warehouse. You can check your dynamic tables using this show dynamic tables command and query them like regular tables. After inserting a new order, Snowflake automatically updates the dynamic table in the next refresh cycle. So, no manual trigger needed. You can monitor refresh history in account usage.dynamic table refresh history and control table states using suspend or resume. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Dynamic tables automate data refresh and transformation. They remove the need for manual ETL pipelines. You can control freshness using target lag. Snowflake manages all dependencies automatically. That's it for today's session on dynamic tables. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Logic Store for more Snowflake and data engineering tutorials.